Are you wondering how to watch YouTube TV on TV? Well, here is your answer. To watch YouTube TV on TV, you have several options. You can download the YouTube TV app, or you can watch YouTube TV inside YouTube app, or you can stream YouTube TV from your mobile device or computer using supported device. To watch YouTube TV with the app, you need to download the app, and this depends on what kind of TV you have, so check the YouTube TV help website for instructions specific for your TV. I have linked the website in the descriptions. You can also watch YouTube TV on your TV by casting or streaming to it from a mobile device or computer. To cast to your TV, 1. Connect your mobile device or computer and streaming device to the same Wi-Fi network. 2. Open YouTube TV on your mobile device or computer. 3. Tap Cast or AirPlay in the top right. 4. Select your device. Then YouTube TV will open, and if you're playing a video, it should automatically begin playing on your TV. 5. Use mobile device or computer to control YouTube TV on your TV. You can also access YouTube TV from YouTube app directly. To do this, first make sure the YouTube app is downloaded on your device. After this, open the YouTube app on your device. On the left side navigation, scroll down to the bottom to find YouTube TV. Then select YouTube TV to open the app. I hope this video answered your question. If you would like some further information, check YouTube TV help website. I have linked it in the descriptions.